Invictus UNICLIC is the easy-to-install luxury vinyl floor. A few rules and the right tools are all you need. Store the boxes in the room the floor will be installed in. Acclimatize for 24 hours at room temperature. Carefully read the installation guideline. Scan the QR code on the box to read the manual online. To install Invictus UNICLIC, all you need is a few basic tools. The subfloor must be hard, clean, dry and smooth. Make sure floor level deviation is a maximum of 5 mm per 2 meters. When the subfloor is unlevel or uneven, apply a leveling compound. Invictus UNICLIC can also be installed on tiles. They must be properly bonded and free of cracks. Fill the grouts of ceramic tiles when these exceed 6 mm in width and 4 mm in depth. Your Invictus floor is compatible with underfloor heating. When the area exceeds 20 meters in width or length, use expansion joints to divide the space. Use boards from the same batch and always check the boards for defects before and during installing. Invictus UNICLIC has an integrated sound backing layer to increase the acoustic performance and evens out small imperfections of your subfloor. Do not use an extra underlay underneath. Place a first board against the wall. Use this board as an alignment guide. It is critical to keep the first 2 rows straight as they are the foundation for the rest of the installation. Take a board and angle it into board 0 and drop down. Ensure there are no gaps. Take another full board, place it at a low angle into the short side joint of board 1, then lay it down. Angle the long side of board 2 into the long side of board 0 by lifting up board 1 and 2 in a low angle and then lay the boards down. Place board 3 against the wall as an alignment guide. Angle board 3 into board 2. Take another full board. Place it into the short side of board 2 at a low angle and angle down. Then angle the long side of your board into board 3 by gently lifting up the row. Start your second row by using a half board. Cut your board decor side up. Angle this piece into board 1. Repeat the same steps as above to finish the row. After installing a board, check if all joints are fully connected and there are no gaps or height differences. To measure the last board of the row, mark the cutting line and cut with a utility knife. Remove the alignment boards by angling them out. Place the spacers along the walls to create an expansion gap of 8 mm. Then gently slide the 2 rows towards the spacers and the wall. If gapping is noticed, disassemble the row. Lift up the entire row in the same angle as you did during installation, then disassemble by angling out the boards on the short side. For hard-to-reach panels, use the tapping method. Angle the board on the long side. Angle down and position the click systems on the short side as close as possible. Use a small leftover piece, place it into the groove and gently tap with a mallet to gradually connect the boards in a few taps. Continue the installation as you finish the first 2. Always check the joints for possible dust or debris during installation. Remove with a small brush or vacuum. Installing tiles is similar to installing boards. Cut a new tile exactly in the middle. Use this piece to start a new row. Angle your half tile into the long side of the previous row. Take a new full tile, place it into the short side groove of the previous tile at a low angle and angle down. Then angle the long side of your tile into the previous row by gently lifting up the tiles, then angle down. Angle your half tile into the long side of the previous row. Take a new full tile, place it into the long side of the previous row and angle down. Position the click systems on the short sides as close as possible. Use a small leftover piece, place it into the groove and gently tap with a mallet to gradually connect the tiles in a few taps. Measure the distance from the wall. Mark the cutting line and cut. Use the pull bar to lock the tiles together. Continue the installation as you finished the first two. Measure the remaining width from wall to the top side of the last board and mark this width on your board. Cut the full length using a ruler and utility knife. For end pieces close to the wall, use a pull bar and mallet to completely secure the locking system. Connect the boards in a few taps. Measure the distance from the center of the pipe to the surface of the previous row. Mark this distance on your new board. Click two boards together and use a round drill to cut out the diameter of the pipe, plus an extra 8 mm for the expansion gap. Measure the distance from the wall to the center of the pipe. Cut the board on this distance. Click the two pieces together. Scotias should be attached to the wall, never to the floor. You must keep the recommended expansion gap so the floor can contract and expand freely. Keeping your floor in mint condition is easy. Vacuum, sweep or dust mop regularly. Occasionally clean with water and a cleaning agent. No, you can't go wrong with the special Invictus PU cleaner. A damp mop is okay, no need to flood the floor. Wipe spillages immediately to avoid staining. Protect your floor by using felt pads under chair legs. As rubber may cause discoloration, always choose non-rubber casters and mats. Enjoy your Invictus floor.